Welcome to week 2 of Kit Conspiracy. This is where MK and I are taking the exact same kits of paper and doing layouts based off of them. We are using whatever embellishments we have. We're allowed to pull in cardstock and anything from our scrap bins. But the rest of it is all based off of the kit we built. So this week we chose some Kaisercraft stuff, and these are pretty old, but still, you know, fun. So we've got this piece that has circuit board. I guess that's circuit board. And this side has, it looks like polka dots, but if you look really closely, those are little tiny gears. This is from the workshop collection of Kaisercraft. So this is, in my mind, definitely more masculine. And I have pulled some photos from my son's birthday. It's one of his birthdays. I was gonna say one of my son's birthdays, but that makes it sound like I have two sons. Anyway, one of the birthdays that we celebrated. And so I may end up pulling in additional stuff. I don't know if I have enough pictures to go with all of this paper or vice versa, but we will see. So this is also from Workshop Collection. It's got like bicycle chains and then lots of gears on the back. I've got 2 sheets of that. This is from the Workshop Collection. It is called Courageous, and it looks like, I don't know, newsprint all peeled back or something like that. And then this blue, I really like this one. This is cool, but I don't think I would use a whole sheet of it. You never know. I have 2 sheets of it, so I could. Another Workshop Collection. I think actually most of, oh no, there's some other stuff in there. I was gonna say most of it's from Workshop. This is called Tough. And I really like the ledger. I like this piece too because you could cut these apart and make things. And then, let's see here, this asphalt looking paper. And I don't know if MK has the exact same paper or if she has another asphalt that's very similar. So that those would be very similar if she has it. That would be the only thing that may not be exactly the same. I do have this specialty piece of paper that has pipes on it. I don't know if I'll use that or not. And this is from Factory 42. It's a Kaisercraft as well. And then I have the sticker sheet from Workshop and the sticker sheet from Factory 42. And I think if I can find it, I thought I just found it recently. I'm supposed to be looking for the sticker book for Workshop. So if I have the sticker book, I will pull that in. Okay, I do have the sticker book for for Workshop. So this has various stickers. A lot of these are dad related. And I'm not documenting dad stuff, but we will see. And this is like father, like son. This one says, always find time for the things that make you feel happy. You are my hero. We must make adventures in order to know that where we truly belong. Make the moment count. So some of these could work, but like this one, you're a rad dad. That doesn't work for me. Dad doesn't work, but the rest of these could work. Best buds. So little tiny alphas, always love those. Very useful. Hero, best ever, bicycle. I don't know that I'll be documenting anything with the bicycle. We will see. Some little border strips, 6-inch border strips, more gears, and I think this is just a repeat. So it has 2 of each in it. So that is what our kit is based off of. And then we will see what I can add to it from my scraps and from some cardstock. Also, I forgot to mention last time, and I had to do a separate video, but I thought I'd remember this time, is that this week we are scrap lifting. So I'm going to pop those up in the video, the 3 layouts that we are scrap lifting, and we will go from there and see what. Okay, so here's a fun one for you guys. So I showed you my kit already, but somehow this got stuck in next week's kit, but it's really for this week. And I have the whole thing, all 12 pages, and I have this note to myself that says, do not use the basket weave for April then it says save for April. So I have no idea what that note means. But by the time I was able to get a hold of MK and we were able to really look at it together, this was actually supposed to be in the kit with the Kaisercraft stuff. So I am adding it to my kit right now, but I've already done my 3 required layouts. So you're going to get some bonus layouts, which is fine because, you know, last week we had bonus layouts as well. So we're going to see what I can do with this portion of the kit along with my leftovers. So I have some leftover pieces, bits and pieces from my original, what I thought was my whole kit. But lo and behold, surprise, I have all these extra pages. So I'm going to really quickly go through these papers. So this is the front and the back. And these are from Paper Rose. This is their Textures 1.0. And this is Paper F. So pretty. The other one is this brick. So this is Paper E. So I'm getting both of those designs. Paper C. And I think that one's kind of fun. And this is Paper A. So this one's got all this blue in it, which I think that was one of the main reasons we pulled that in, because there is a lot of like blues and tans in here, so it works really well. This is Paper B. There's the basket weave that I was supposed to be saving for whatever reason. But I have definitely checked with MK now and we're both on the same page, so I don't know what I had that note for. And this is Paper D. So those are all being added to my kit, and I am going to see what I can do with them to make some bonus layouts. I know I probably won't use everything, but we will see. So first up we have this layout from Di Garling, I believe is how she says it. And this will be the first one for Saturday. And then our second one is from Crafty Tam on scrapbook.com. We will be doing that one on Tuesday. And then our Thursday layout will be this particular one. And this is from Blue Star Design on scrapbook.com. I hope you guys enjoy the layouts I create based on these lifts. And I will see you guys later this week. Bye-bye.